Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make a text-to-speech program in Visual Basic. It's very simple and it has a copy and paste feature. So just open your Visual Basic, make a new project. I'm going to simply name mine text-to-speech. Okay, once you got that, go to OK, wait for it to load. Okay, and name the form TTS. That stands for text-to-speech. Make it like that, whatever you're liking. Go over here and try to find a text box. Okay, we're going to just add a normal text box. And we're going to go down to try to find a button. Once you got a button, resize the button, whatever you're liking again. Resize the form. Change the button name to read. Okay, once you got it to read, double click on the button because we're ready for the coding now. Double click on the button and type in the following code. Okay, this is the code. Type in this. Once you got that code, because the code's in the description, dim sappy equals create object bracket quote sappy dot sp voice sappy dot speak bracket textbox1 dot text and bracket end sub and end class. I will put that in the description box. Okay, go to the design and click play and type in whatever you want the computer to read. Okay, and then go to read.
This is my voice.
You're probably going to hear something. You probably didn't hear it right now because I don't have the speaker hooked up. Okay, so that should work, and after you did that, that's all, and that will make a basic text-to-speech program. Okay, I will see you another time. See ya.